will be reviewing how to sell gift certificates online. The very first thing to know is that having credit card processing integrated set up and completed is required to sell gift certificates online. If you're curious about getting that started, please contact STX support at 1-800-766-4778, option 2. All right, so once you have your credit card processing enabled, you will go to Setup, Set Up Appointments and Emails, and then Online Booking, and you would go to Online Gifts Enabled and make sure this checkbox is enabled. So that is the first step. The next step, well, I guess you would wait to enable them until your gift template's created, but you would create your gift template. There will be a default option in there, and you can customize, add photos and logos and links and so on using the bar up here. But if you'd like to, let's say, use the merge field to put in any of this information, you can say, okay, I'd like my gift recipient information to automatically be plugged in after the two. And that's how you can use those different merge fields, like the gift number, gift amount, etc. And then if you'd like to see a test version of it, you can send yourself a test email by plugging in your email address here. And then click Send Test Email, and that will send that email out. And then, of course, when you're all done, go ahead and click Save. And then as long as those pieces are set up where it's enabled and you have it going, there is a, let me show you this, in Set Up Appointments and Emails. If you go to Online Booking, there is a online gift URL. So it's a little different than your online booking URL. So your online booking URL, let me go ahead and open that up. So your online booking URL is going to look like this. And then there's automatically going to be a button that displays that says Purchase eGift. In addition to that, there's a direct link to this eGift, which is this URL right here, and that'll take you straight to your eGift page. So if you wanted to put that on an email or as a part of your holiday promotions, you could have people land straight on the gift certificate purchase. So in here, they'd plug in the amount, and then they put in the recipient name, and then where to send the email to, and then a personal message, and then that will appear in the gift certificate as long as that's part of the template. And then your card holder first and last name, the email, you plug in your card number here with your CVV postal code, and then when you click Purchase Now, it's going to send a receipt to the cardholder email, and it will send the gift certificate to wherever you establish that in there. Thank you for watching and have a great day.